Welcome back, guys. Now, there's a cracking local micro business. Been seeing the work all over Facebook. Millingtons Munchies, based in HYDE, my local town. Now, I seen this cake, what they did. It was #1, the intricacy of the flowers and everything. I thought I'd reach out. So I've gone for a few cakeys, tray bakes to do. Do all sorts, celebration cakes. So you got birthdays coming up, weddings, bar mitzvahs, all special occasion cakes they do. Some cracking examples here I'll put on for you. But yeah, check them out, Millingtons Munchies. Now, we've gone for some old school cake tray bake. Some brownie tray bake. My personal favourite cake, banana cake. Now, cake's my favourite cake of all time. It's a tough one. It's like, I like me Bakewell, but banana cake, it's like, done right. I've had banana cake at some Jamaican gas. Really tasty. Now, I'm looking forward to that. We also have carrot cake, one of my 5 a day. So straight in, the one I'm really pumped about reviewing. Look at this, it all comes in lovely little boxes. Handmade with love. It's great how these local little small, like micro, I call them micro businesses, because they're not like a premises one. So yeah, I don't know what kind of name would you give it, but let's get into this. Oh, some nice bananas on top. Oh, it smells fantastic. Now the trick to the banana cake is nice bananas in there. Just a sponge, lovely spring back perfection that already, I can tell. Smells lovely banana coming off. Oh, dehydrated bananas on top adds a lovely crunch, and the moistness of this cake. Oh, I've just gone straight in with my personal favourite, and I've had a lot of banana cake. As you can probably tell, that is the best banana cake I've ever tasted in my life. Oh, I can't possibly sample all these cakes on a video. The video would be too long. Check that out. Oh, this looks absolutely fantastic. Oh, cut myself a sliver. Oh, straight away I can tell this is going to be lovely and moist. Oh, wow, absolutely, that is wow. That is some really good cake, that, guys. Go on, I'll try the chocolate as well for you guys. This, I mean, if you're not already ordered, get on Facebook, message Millingtons Munchies. Oh. Wow. They are 5 out of 5. That is some of the best cake I've ever tasted in my life. Oh, that is a belting brownie, that. Whoa. It's moist. It's got lovely chocolate chunks in there. Slight gooiness to it. Exceptional. Guys, if you haven't already, you need to be ordering these. Support your small local businesses. Millingtons Munchies, your master bakers. You know, when I did my pies, Masters of Pie Universe, this is Master Bakery, this. This is absolutely fantastic. I'm going to give it the Fat Foodie seal of approval. So guys, there they are. Check them out on Facebook. Get your orders in. Special occasions or just a weekly treat, weekend treat. They also do events as well, pop-up events. Check them ones out, guys. Thanks for watching. This has been an absolute pleasure. Perfection personified. Peace.